Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video. I'm going to do a muffler delete with an MBRP bypass pipe. This is a 2020 Chevy Trail Boss. I'm running the 5.3 and I just wanted to show you what exactly this entails. I went with the MBRP kit and it shipped right from here in Canada. And it said it was going to take about a week to get here, but it actually got here in 2 days. Total cost to me was about $210 Canadian, and that's with 2 days shipping. Now, I'm going to do a little cold start here, just so we can do a little comparison for the before and after. Okay, so this truck came with the factory GM Performance airbox. I know there's mixed reviews on these, but I will say that after driving this truck regularly compared to my buddy's RST, which has a factory airbox, there is a noticeable difference in the tone and sound of the truck. That's for sure. Pretty simple. You need a metal cutting blade, the part, and this is a 15mm socket. Stay tuned and we'll see how this turns out. Here we have no muffler. It's going to be just straight piped out, no bypass in yet. Let's just see how it sounds. Here's the video of the MBRP muffler bypass, muffler delete. It is pretty loud.